Charlotte Pipe and Foundry is a cast iron and PVC manufacturer of pipes and fittings. We currently have 7 plants spread throughout the United States. So more than likely, Charlotte Pipe and Foundry products are in your home or business. To be a leader in our industry, we have to be constantly innovating and focusing on digital transformation. And part of that process is to be able to arm our sales team with the tools they need, collecting data and feeding that into AI and machine learning models in order to determine what the best course of action is to take on various products that we manufacture. The reason the cloud came on the radar is we realize a lot of trends are going that way, particularly with machine learning and AI. Those key features are only going to be available in a cloud. So you can't just necessarily pick up a VM and move it to the cloud. You need to have an infrastructure in place and the technology to not only be able to move those workloads, but keep them secure and functioning. Since we were already a heavy VMware shop within our environment, it only made sense to consider VMware. We realized we needed to start laying the groundwork for this multi-cloud digital transformation. VMware Cloud Foundation lays that groundwork. It allows us to automate a lot of the processes within maintaining that environment. NSX is the networking component. It allows microsegmentation between VMs to improve that security. ARIA helps the automation and networking and allows us to collect logs and monitor the environment. And overall, the entire product line helps improve us and make us more agile and multi-cloud ready in the future. So we've seen probably a 50% improvement in the amount of time it takes to do upgrades with VCF. One of the reasons we trust VMware is we've looked at other products and tried other products, and overall, VMware has always proved to be stable, easy to manage, integrates with all the vendors that we use, laid the foundation with various products that enable us to move workloads to the cloud. I'm really excited for what we've been able to do at Charlotte Pipe and Foundry, and I believe that what we've accomplished over the last 2 or 3 years has really set us up for the future.